Hello everybody, Mark Martinho here, and I'm about to put up our first signpost since the whole COVID virus thing has come along. One reason I'm actually here doing it is I'm going to have Roberto Romero, the greatest handyman in the world, help me put it up, but we can't just use a normal sign company. We have kind of a unique signposts and nobody carries them, so we've got to do it ourselves. Plus, very important, very monumental event for putting up the signpost today, which you will see at the end. So this morning I was here with Roberto and we were putting up the sign, and we were really excited about getting the sign up. And why is that, Viv?
Because it's our very first listing together.
Yay! So this is the first sign that we're putting up where it has both our names, and we are listing it together under the Vabrato brand. And it's not just us now, it's also
Tom Thompson, who happens to be 2019 drumroll SAMCAR Realtor of the Year. He's coming as well. He's working with us too. Definitely head and shoulders above the rest, and that's partially because he's a very tall fellow, but he's also very good at what he does. So, you know, for us, this is really extraordinary. These are kind of unprecedented times, but, you know, while a lot of companies are shrinking and cutting back, Vibrato's growing. And not by 300%. By 300%. So we're very excited. Again, monumentous occasion for us to see our names here together. And if you're watching this out there, hey, I hope you can get a chance to come by at 25 Hermosa. That's where we are right now, as you see right there. And say hi. You know, you'll need an appointment though because of COVID. Oh, that's right. That's right. Don't forget that. Don't forget that. And what's our slogan? There for you. There for you. That's what we're all about. All right. You take care, folks, and we look forward to seeing you potentially together. Nice. You have a